Curry pastes are the backbone of many Southeast Asian dishes, and achieving a smooth, vibrant paste often hinges on having a capable blender. Immersion hand blenders in particular offer direct blending in pots and containers, which is ideal for curries that simmer and reduce. This article compares 5 compact, value-focused options across a price spectrum from budget to premium, highlighting blade design, motor power, speed control, cleaning practicality, and included accessories.
Product number 1. Powerful Immersion Blender. The Peach Street Immersion Stick is a budget-friendly 500-watt model with a 2-speed control and a turbo boost for tougher textures. It features a detachable base for cleaning, 304 stainless steel blades, and a compact form factor designed to fit into pots and bowls for on-the-spot curry paste work. The design emphasizes durability with a metal-crafted body and a slim base for comfortable grip, making it appealing for casual cooks who value straightforward operation and ease of storage. Performance-wise, the 500-watt motor with 4 blades is capable of shredding herbs, spices, and soft vegetables into a smoother paste, but it may strain on very fibrous ingredients or larger garlic or galanja pieces. The turbo function can help cross the threshold for tougher components, yet long blending sessions in deep pots might cause fatigue due to the compact handle and limited control options, 2 speeds. Cleaning is simplified by a detachable base, though the blades are dishwasher safe while the stick itself should not be submerged. Overall, this unit excels as a value option for small batch curries and everyday smoothie duties, with the caveat that ultra-fine pastes or heavy-duty grinding may benefit from a higher-end model.
Product number 2. Ovente Immersion Hand Blender. The Ovente HS560B is a 300-watt 2-speed immersion blender with a slim stainless steel shaft intended to fit most pots and bowls. It emphasizes ease of cleaning, with detachable parts that can go in the dishwasher, and a straightforward push-button control scheme. Its price point sits near the Peach Street model, but with a lighter motor and an emphasis on user-friendly operation and a somewhat longer warranty window of 1 year. In practice, the 300-watt motor handles typical curry pastes well, especially when using the high setting for smoother emulsions. However, for dense pastes containing tougher fibrous elements or larger lemongrass pieces, it may require more blending time or pre-chopping. The 2-speed sensor allows a smoker-like pulse for texture control, and the ergonomic grip reduces fatigue during longer sessions. Cleaning is notably convenient due to all detachable components, and the device's 1-year warranty offers reassurance for casual cooks who want a reliable daily use tool without a premium price.
Product number 3. Cuisinart CSB179 Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. The Cuisinart CSB179 is a 300-watt hand blender with a 2-pronged advantage: variable speed control via a slide knob and an 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft. It comes with a chopper/grinder attachment, a whisk, and a 2-cup measuring cup, aiming to be a complete mini kitchen system for blending, emulsifying, and chopping tasks. The build quality is robust with a premium feel, and it is backed by a standard 3-year limited warranty, signaling confidence in long-term use. The design prioritizes control and versatility for more involved tasks beyond simple blending. Performance-wise, the 5-speed operation provides better texture control for curry pastes, allowing you to start slow to break down aromatics and increase speed to achieve smooth emulsions. The 8-inch shaft helps reach deeper pots, preserving the ability to blend directly in curry pots without transferring, which is advantageous for reducing mess. The included accessories broaden use cases, making it a strong all-around option for households that do a lot of cooking beyond curry paste. However, its heavier weight at 3.3 pounds and higher price point may deter casual.
Product number 4. Mayploy Massaman Curry Paste. Mayploy Massaman Curry Paste is a pantry staple rather than a blender, presented as a ready-to-use paste to flavor curries and sauces. It emphasizes authentic Thai flavor with lemongrass, kaffir lime, galangal, and shrimp paste, packaged in a resealable tub to maintain freshness. While not a blender itself, it is a critical ingredient for achieving the depth of flavor in curry pastes when paired with a suitable blending tool. In use, Mae Ploy paste can be blended into curries with ease using any of the blenders above to achieve consistent emulsions and smooth texture. Since it avoids MSG and preservatives, it appeals to health-conscious cooks who want authentic flavor without artificial additives. The main constraint is that this is an ingredient, not a device. It requires a blender or mortar and pestle to turn into a paste or use directly for sauce bases. For users seeking a pre-made paste to jumpstart curry recipes, Mae Ploy is an excellent option, but it does not influence the performance metrics of the blenders themselves. Product number 5. My 3 Thai Red Curry Paste, 4 ounces, pack of 4. My 3 Red Curry Paste is another pantry staple, sold as jars, 4 ounces each, in a pack. This product emphasizes convenience for home cooks who want a ready-to-use base for Thai red curries. Like Mae Ploy, this is a ready-made paste rather than a blender, with a focus on authentic red curry flavors and a compact, shelf-stable packaging suitable for quick meals. When used with a blender, My 3 Red Curry Paste will emulsify and meld with coconut milk and other ingredients, but its performance depends on the blender you pair with. The paste can be added directly to simmering pots and then blended to desired texture, but its packaging and formulation are not performance attributes of a blender. For users prioritizing speed and authenticity in Thai red curries, My 3 provides dependable paste options that pair well with any of the tested blenders, especially when you want consistent color and heat balance.